Okay, here we are. It's almost 8 a.m. on January 27th. It's the morning after Winter Storm Juno, which as I'm sure as you all know, was probably the worst storm ever on the planet. I mean, dinosaurs, cavemen, I don't think that they ever saw a storm quite this bad. So we're gonna go outside now and see what things look like on this day, January 27th, probably what will be known in the future as the day the Earth began to rebuild. So we still have power. That's a good thing. And I can say the amount of snow is just shocking. It's I don't know how to describe it. It's shocking. Here you can see what looks like about a centimeter of fucking snow. This is ridiculous.